Hello guys, hello students, dear students. So today, I am going to introduce for your class 7 area. So we are dealing with area of perimeter of area. Area and perimeter of geometrical figures, parallelogram, triangles. ये सब हमने किया था ना? ये सब हमने किया था. आज हम सर्कल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सर्कल, सर्कल. सर्कल का how to find perimeter and area. पेरीमीटर को सर्कल का एक दूसरा नाम है, so this name is called circumference. এটো হৈ আছে যেনিবা হা অন কৰি দিলো বৰবাদ কৰিলা কাটা হেল্ল' গাইস সো গুড মৰ্নিং ষ্টুডেন্টস আজি তোমালোকক মই যেটো এটা 10 মিনিটৰ ভিডিও প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিছো সো we are going to introduce circle of class 7 this chapter deals with circumference इसमें हम लोग सर्कल का circumference का फॉर्मूला डिराइव करेंगे तो इसमें हमने एक टेबल बनाया है, इसमें ग्रीन बोर्ड में लिखा है, तो इसको हम सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला डिराइव करेंगे और ये चैप्टर में सर्कल का जो पेरीमीटर है उसको ही सर्कमफेरेंस बोलते हैं. जैसे सर्कल है और ये भी एक सर्कल है, सो इसका जो पेरीमीटर है यहाँ से यहाँ एक राउंड उसको पेरीमीटर या सर्कमफेरेंस बोलते हैं. सर्कल पे सर्कमफेरेंस बोलते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड सर्कमफेरेंस. एंड हियर आल्सो this one round is called circumference. So here, like this, we are making a table. And remember, we are going to establish the formula for circumference of a circle. So here are some 3 circles. Suppose here 3 circles, suppose radius 3.5. One circle radius 3.5. One circle 7. So we are drawing 3 circles. So we are drawing 3 circles. One circle radius 3.5. One circle radius 3.5. Second circle radius 7 cm and third circle radius 21 cm. We are drawing 3 circles. It is 3.5. So ইয়াত দেখিছা আমি আগত দেখুৱা মানে 3.5 ৰ এটা সাৰ্কেল আঁকিলো এটা 3.5 নেক্সট আমি আঁকিম 7 itu suppose 7. बनाओगे स्ट्रेट 3 सर्कल बनाओगे, एक का रेडियस 3.5. So one circle 3.5 radius, another circle suppose draw 7 and third circle suppose radius 21. तो ये रेडियस, तो इसका डायमीटर होगा 7, डायमीटर 7, तो इसका डायमीटर 14, इसका डायमीटर 42. इसके बाद स्ट्रिंग से तुम लोग स्ट्रिंग से इसका एक बार सर्कमफेरेंस निकालो। सर्कमफेरेंस इसका सर्कमफेरेंस सपोज 22, सर्कमफेरेंस सपोज 22, इसका सर्कमफेरेंस सपोज 44, इसका सर्कमफेरेंस सपोज 132। इसके बाद नाउ you find the circumference by C by D, circumference by diameter ratio 22 by 7, here it is 22 by 7, here it is 44 by 14, here it is 132 by 14, 132 by 42. So in all the cases you will find it is approximately 3.14. Either it is 3.14 or approximately 3.14. This is approximately 3.14. Approximately 3.14. C by D is approximately 3.14. Okay. C by D, that is circumference by diameter in all the cases. So here we are considering three cases. If you take 5 or 6 more, if you 5 or 6, then it will be approximately 3.14. Okay, approximately 3.14. So this 3.14 is denoted by pi. This symbol pi. And you see 3.14 is nothing but 22 by 7. 22 by 7. 22 by 7 or 3.14. Correct? So, and this value is denoted by pi. This pi. One mathematics here. Pi. Sorry, C by D is equal to 3.14. So implies that is C by D we write pi. So we denote this by pi. Simplify C is equal to pi D. So it is the formula for circumference of a circle. C is equal to pi D. Okay. It is the formula for circumference of a circle is C is equal to pi D. Circumference pi D. Pi into diameter. Okay. So these twice are diameter is twice are. So twice are it is also denoted as 2 pi r. So 2 pi r. So C is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, correct. So here we write C is equal to circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So it is the formula. Okay. So if you take one example, suppose your NCERT take two first question. Find the circumference. So class 7 NCERT 11.3 আমি first question to চাইছো. First question to is find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 and radius is given. Following radius is it is given 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. So how to find circumference? Here it is you have to find. तुम लोगों को क्या निकालना है? Circumference निकालना है. So circumference is equal to formula 2 pi r. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 14. R is 14. So it is 2 times 2. So 4 it is 88. So unit is 88. So it is like that you can find the circumference of a circle. Okay? So after observing this activity you can find the circumference. So it is like this. So next class we will derive area of a circle. Thank you.